Right now, thousands of diesel owners are unknowingly destroying their engines and setting themselves up for repairs that cost more than their truck is worth. While some diesel engines barely make it to 100,000 miles, others are still running strong at 300,000 miles and beyond. The difference isn't luck, it's knowledge. Today, I'm sharing 5 maintenance secrets that professional drivers use to keep their diesels running like new for decades. These simple habits can literally save you thousands of dollars in repairs, so make sure you watch until the end, because secret number 4 alone will transform your diesel's reliability. Before we dive in, hit that like button for more diesel tips, subscribe for weekly automotive content, and drop a comment telling me which secret surprised you most. Now let's get into these game-changing secrets. Secret 1. The real oil change sweet spot. Most diesel owners follow their owner's manual religiously when it comes to oil changes, but experienced drivers know there's a better way. While your manual might say you can go 10,000 or even 15,000 miles between oil changes, the real sweet spot for maximum engine life is between 5,000 and 7,500 miles. This isn't about the oil manufacturer trying to sell you more oil. It's about understanding how diesel engines actually work compared to gasoline engines. Diesel engines operate under much more demanding conditions than their gasoline counterparts. They run at higher temperatures, create more soot and particulate matter, and put tremendous stress on oil due to higher compression ratios and turbocharging systems. Modern synthetic oils are incredibly advanced, but even the best oil breaks down faster under these extreme conditions. Professional drivers who haul heavy loads across the country have learned that pushing oil changes to the manufacturer's maximum recommendation might save money in the short term, but it often leads to expensive problems down the road. The key is consistency and understanding your driving conditions. If you're doing a lot of towing, driving in dusty environments, or dealing with stop-and-go traffic, lean toward the 5,000-mile end of the range. For highway driving with lighter loads, 7,500 miles is acceptable. Premium diesel oil costs more than regular oil, but changing it more frequently keeps your injection system clean, prevents premature turbocharger wear, and maintains optimal engine protection. Think of it as insurance for your engine's future. Secret 2. The Italian tune-up treatment. Here's something that might surprise you about diesel engines. If you primarily use your diesel for short trips around town, running errands, or commuting in stop-and-go traffic, you're actually slowly killing your engine. Diesel engines are designed for sustained, high-temperature operation, and when they don't get it regularly, problems start to accumulate like a slow poison. This brings us to what experienced drivers call the Italian tune-up. At least once a week, you need to take your diesel out on the highway and run it at higher RPMs for an extended period. We're talking about getting the engine up to full operating temperature and keeping it there for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This isn't about driving aggressively or being reckless. It's about letting your engine do what it was designed to do. During short trips, your diesel never reaches its optimal operating temperature, which means combustion isn't complete. This leads to carbon buildup in the intake system, clogged diesel particulate filters, and what's known as wet stacking, where unburned fuel dilutes your engine oil. The Italian tune-up burns off these deposits, regenerates your particulate filter, and keeps your turbocharger spinning freely. After a good highway run, your engine will run smoother, more efficiently, and with noticeably better power. Don't be afraid to work your diesel engine. These machines are built to handle sustained high loads, and it's the constant babying with short trips that causes the most long-term damage. Secret 3. The Turbo Cooldown Protocol. Most modern diesel vehicles come equipped with turbochargers, And this is where many drivers unknowingly set themselves up for costly repairs. After driving hard, towing heavy loads, or sustained highway driving, experienced diesel owners never immediately shut off their engines. Instead, they follow what's known as the turbo cool-down protocol, and this simple habit can save you from a turbocharger replacement that typically costs thousands of dollars. Here's why this matters so much. Your turbocharger spins at incredible speeds, typically between 150 and 350 RPM. When you're driving hard, that turbo gets extremely hot due to the exhaust gases flowing through it. If you shut off the engine immediately, you cut off the oil circulation while the turbo is still spinning at high speed and high temperature. This causes the oil around the turbo bearings to cook and form deposits, which eventually leads to bearing failure and complete turbo replacement. The cool-down period allows the turbo to slow down while oil is still circulating, preventing this heat-related damage. After any high-stress driving, simply let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before turning it off. Many modern vehicles have turbo timers built into the engine management system, but don't rely solely on this technology. Make the cool-down period a personal habit, especially after towing, mountain driving, or any situation where you've been pushing your diesel hard. Professional drivers who haul heavy loads religiously follow this protocol, and it's not uncommon to see their turbochargers last 300,000 miles or more with proper care. If you're finding these secrets helpful, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more diesel tips and automotive content. Trust me, the next 2 secrets are just as important, so keep watching. Secret 4. Glow plug mastery for perfect starts. Starting a diesel engine properly is an art that many drivers never fully master, especially when temperatures drop. Unlike gasoline engines that use spark plugs, diesels rely on compression and glow plugs to achieve ignition. There's a right way and a wrong way to use this system, and getting it wrong can lead to hard starting, excessive wear, and expensive repairs. The golden rule that experienced diesel drivers swear by is simple but crucial. Always wait for the glow plug light to completely turn off before attempting to start the engine. This seems obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people try to rush this process, especially when they're running late for work. In moderate temperatures, one glow plug cycle is usually enough to get a smooth start. Here's the professional secret for extreme cold conditions. Cycle the glow plugs twice before attempting to start. Turn the key to the on position, wait for the glow plug light to go off, then turn the key back to off. Repeat this process before cranking the engine. This double-cycle technique preheats the combustion chambers more thoroughly and dramatically improves your chances of a smooth start in frigid weather. It also reduces stress on your starter motor and battery, which both work much harder when trying to start a cold diesel engine. Some experienced drivers in extremely cold climates even cycle 3 times before starting, but 2 cycles are usually sufficient for most conditions. Remember, patience during the glow plug cycle prevents hard starting, excessive white smoke, and unnecessary wear on your engine's internal components. Secret 5. The fuel tank strategy that prevents expensive repairs. My final secret might be the most important one yet, and it's a mistake that countless diesel owners make repeatedly. Never make it a habit to run your diesel on empty or even near empty. This isn't just about avoiding getting stranded on the side of the road. It's about protecting some of the most expensive components in your fuel system from catastrophic damage. Diesel fuel serves a dual purpose in your vehicle. Obviously, it's the energy source for combustion, but it also acts as a coolant and lubricant for your fuel injection system. Modern diesel injection systems operate at incredibly high pressures, typically between 25,000 and 30,000 psi in common rail systems. When you run low on fuel, several destructive things happen simultaneously. First, your fuel pump starts sucking air along with fuel, which can cause vapor lock and erratic fuel delivery. Second, without enough fuel to cool and lubricate the injection pump, temperatures rise and wear accelerates dramatically. Even worse, running completely out of fuel can damage your injection pump, which can cost thousands to replace. Additionally, when fuel levels get too low, you risk sucking up sediment and debris from the bottom of the tank, which can clog filters and damage injectors. Experienced diesel drivers maintain at least a quarter tank at all times and never let their fuel level drop below an eighth of a tank. This ensures consistent fuel pressure, proper cooling of injection components, and eliminates the risk of contaminating your fuel system with tank debris. It's a simple habit that can prevent some of the most expensive diesel repairs you'll ever encounter. There you have it, 5 diesel maintenance secrets that separate the experienced drivers from everyone else. These simple habits compound over time into dramatic differences in reliability and longevity. While other drivers are dealing with expensive breakdowns, you'll be enjoying the robust performance that diesel engines are famous for when properly maintained. These practices are the difference between a diesel that lasts 100,000 miles and one that runs strong for 300,000 miles or more. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive content. Share this with any diesel owners who could benefit from these secrets, and comment below with your own maintenance tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.